So for example, the first part is always real number and the second part is imaginary number. So I'll just X. Okay, I will click play the script, and you can see it has 6 plus, it shows as 6 plus 7j. So 6 is a real number and 7 is an imaginary number with, so it, any imaginary number is represented by letter j. So there are two parts, I only have one number and I have a formula called complex. I'll just play this. You can see that it will always return into two numbers. So the first part is the real number and the second part is the imaginary, so it's 0. So it adds automatically. If I don't have any number and the brackets are blank, then it will always show the imaginary number as 0. Okay, this is one complex number, and then 3 plus 2j, and I just want to add that together. I'll just play this. Okay, and it has added itself. So one has been added, one has been taken out from 2. Okay, one real number has been taken out from the imaginary number 2, and then 4j has been added to 3, which gives us 7j. So this first number has been taken out from 2j and it gives us -1, and 4j has been added to 3 and gives us 7j. A string number, so it ignores complex numbers, ignores string numbers. So I'll just say 1, and it will have 1 plus 0j. It won't appear as print as a string. If I have two strings, for example, so it will just show an error because it doesn't accept anything after the first string, so it won't accept that. It will always end up in error.